What is web development? Front-end versus back-end. Welcome to Python for Web Development, from basic to building web apps. In this first lesson, we'll understand what web development really is and how Python fits into the picture. What is web development? Web development is the process of building website and web application that run on the internet. This could be a simple portfolio, an e-commerce store, or a full social media platform. There are two main parts of a website. Front end, what users see and interact with buttons, forms, layout. Back end, the logic behind the scenes, handling, logins, saving data, etc. What is front end? The front end is the build using language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is like the face of the website. You design the layout, style, and interactive using those tools. Think of it like printing and arranging furniture in a room. What is backend? The backend is the server-side component that handles data storage, processing, and logic, making it the brains of the application. Frameworks like Flask and Django help us build robust, secure backend systems. You can think of it like the kitchen of a restaurant. Customers don't see it, but it is where all the magic happens. What is full stack development? When someone builds both the front end and back end, we call them a full stack developer. In this course, we'll focus more on back end using Python, but also touch on essential front end parts. Alright, now you know the difference between front end and back end. In the next lesson, we'll see why Python is great choice for web development. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.